Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable SIM always on and enter phone numbers on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on connections. Next, tap on SIM card manager. And then we go down and tap on more SIM card settings. Next, at the top here, tap on Choose SIM Always On. Now, before you turn on Choose SIM Always On, make sure that you tap on Enter Phone Numbers. Now, the purpose of this phone number is that if SIM card 1 is busy on a phone call, when SIM card number 2 receives an incoming call, it will forward to that number. And the same as SIM card 1, if SIM card 2 is on a call, then SIM card 1, when it receives an incoming call, it will forward the call to a different number. So in here, I will put in the phone number that it will forward it, and then tap on Done. And then tap on Select SIM card. And in here, you can choose forward calls to any available SIM, only forward calls from SIM 1 to eSIM 1, only forward calls from eSIM 1 to SIM 1. So select one of the options and tap on Done. And then now you can switch it on. If you switch it on, then you will not be able to make any modification to the phone numbers. To make the changes, you need to switch it off. And then after that, you can make changes to the call forwarding numbers. So while it says Choose SIM Always On, it can sound a little bit deceiving because actually not both SIM cards can be on and receiving both calls at the same time. And that's it. So once you have turned on, this is what you get. It says SIM card 1, SIM card 2 call waiting turn on. If SIM card 1 is out of reach, incoming calls will be forwarded to this number. And for SIM card 2, SIM card 1 call waiting turn on. If SIM card 2 is out of reach, incoming calls will be forwarded to this number. And then tap on OK to finish. And that's it. And finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.